gosh, I just love fishing. Does it get any better than this? All right, guys, there you have it. First fish at the secret lake. All right, guys, first fish, hadn't even put in yet. Guys, I think these fish are gonna be bedding. We'll have to see. That's really why I come here today. It's the first time I've ever been here this early in the year, but yeah, it's a good start, I'd say. I'll let this guy go, and I'm gonna get in here and hopefully catch a bunch of them today. Guys, I can see in the water pretty good right now. I'm not sure how deep y'all can see, but I haven't seen any bass swimming around yet. I haven't seen any beds either, but I didn't mean too much. Guys, I think we're gonna just go ahead and tie on frog. Yep. I think that's what we're gonna do. Guys, I just saw like a 3-pounder swim right through here. That's a good sign. All right, frog is not working right now, right here. So we're gonna move on, try something different. All right, guys, I'm gonna try to get a swim jig bite going here. Just cover some water here for a minute. If I gotta slow down with a Cinco or something, I will. Might pull out a shaky head if necessary, but I think a swim jig could be the deal in here. As soon as I said that wind ain't blowing much, not the greatest thing for this paddleboard. It's so light, it really gets blown around in the wind, but we'll deal with it. I'm literally not even paddling forward, guys. This is just the wind. I should have brought a stakeout pole. Shoulda. Like I got the trolling motor on high. I caught that fish off the bank on this little Nico rigged Cinco. You've got to be kidding me. I just grabbed this turtle. Wow. I hope I'm recording right now. I'm pretty sure I am. That's hilarious. He swam all the way up and I was able to grab him. Boy, God, I hate to get bit by him. Look at that. Woo. That's pretty cool. There's a whole lot more algae in here than there typically is right now. I really don't know what an algae bloom looks like. I don't know if that's what that is, but it's definitely different than I've ever seen it before. And I've caught one fish, got another bite, and seen a real nice one. So bass are in here. I just gotta find, it's kind of what I'm doing right now. I'm just trying to locate some fish. There's one. Ain't nothing big, but clobbered that swim jig just like you're supposed to. Hey, set still. There we have it, folks. Fish number 2. All right, buddy. See ya. Well, that was fun. I'd love to catch them on the swim jig all day. That'd be awesome. Ooh, there's another. That's a better fish. Come here, buddy. Oh, I'm not used to this short net. Oh, that was so ugly. That was so ugly. Yeah. There, go in the net. Wow, that was ugly as can be. Oh my goodness. I'm used to my long net. Oh my goodness, that thing's useless. All right, fish number 3. Good gravy. That's hilarious. That's a better fish. There we go. All right. Oh, here we go, big guy. Bloop. On the old bluegill color swim jig. That thing does imitate a bluegill really good. It's got a green pumpkin rage swimmer on the back. You know, guys, if there's one bait I really want to gain some confidence in, it's a swim jig. Caught some fish on it yesterday on Chickamauga. Hopefully we can keep catching them on it today. I know how powerful it can be, but I've just never really fished it a whole lot. So trying to gain some confidence in it. So far, today is helping with that. Guys, right now I'm fishing the swim jig on got a 7-foot medium heavy Daiwa Arid X rod. It's a fast action is what it's listed as, but it's definitely way more moderate. I actually like it for moving baits. Throw a chatterbait on it too, it feels good. I've got 12-pound fluoro on here right now. Got a Lew's Classic Speed Spool reel. You know, for a $120 setup roughly, it's not bad. Definitely gets the job done. Ooh, I just got a bite. He popped it 2 or 3 times. I thought he was on there. I didn't get a good hook set for sure. Usually when they eat a swim jig, they eat the sucker. I don't know what the deal with that was. Let me throw the wacky rig in there a second. That's a bass. Wow, probably should tighten up my drag a little bit if that sucker was pulling drag that bad. Oh no, my paddle came undone. No, back in the ground for me. Just a second. There we go. Fish number 4. See ya. There's one. Little guy. Hey, 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 hey. Chill out. All right, number 5. Oh, I come off. Well, that was cool. I saw him come up for that. All right, guys, I really do think I could get a frog bite here. I'm gonna change frogs and try it for another 20 or 30 minutes, and I'm gonna head out of here. I'm gonna go with old black frog. Oh my gosh. Come on. That's frog fishing for you. Just when you feel like it ain't gonna work out, you get bit. Maybe I should throw the wacky rig in there. I'll be able to reach it. Uh-oh. There's fish. There we go, guys. Ooh, look. The fish looks like it. I don't know. That's kind of weird. I don't know if that's spawning. The back of his tail is not red. Usually they're all red right there. I haven't really seen that fin all jacked up. That just looks like an injury or something. Maybe it's not. Y'all tell me in the comments. What do you think? Is that from spawning? Or is that from something else? All right, see you, dude. Oh my goodness. Oh, dude. Oh my gosh, dude. He bit it. I never felt the pressure of him. Do it again, bud. Do it again. Not in there. Come on. I'll let it sit on that mat just a second. Oh, there's nothing that gets your heart pounding more than that crap right there. I don't care how big he was, I just want to catch frogfish. Ooh, something just blew up in there. I thought I gave him plenty of time. As I really wanted to get a couple frogfish on camera for you. I don't know how well you can see those blow-ups, but eventually, one day, we are going to wear them out on a frog. On camera, hopefully. That is the goal. Alright. GoPro, stop recording. I got my stuff flipped back over. I've lost 2 of my freaking rods, but oh shoot, no, I've lost 1 of my rods. There's one. All right, guys. Well, as you can see, I did survive the swim there. I don't really know what happened there. I leaned over to get that lure out of the tree, and it was going over before I knew what was happening. So, you know, that board doesn't have very good secondary stability. It's got all the primary stability you can ask for, but it's funny. I was standing up on that thing all day, walking around on it, setting the hook with a swim jig, standing up, and I never had an issue. And as soon as I got on that edge, it went. So, but you know, it's great for those little quick trips, little lightweight trips. But I'm definitely gonna have to get some floats on my rods next time I take that thing out. I did lose 1 rod. If you look back at the video, you can see I grabbed a couple while I was underwater. Praise the Lord, I was able to save 3 of the 4 that I took. Between the lost rod and having to recharge that life jacket, you know, I lost about $125, $130 worth of gear. But the GoPro ended up okay, and my phone ended up okay. I turned both of them off, and I've actually got a jerky dehydrator that I turned on low heat, and I've just put both of them in there all night long, and it soaked all the water out of them, and they were good to go. So that was a big blessing. Didn't lose any electronics, so that was pretty cool. But yeah, guys, be careful out there. Always wear that life vest. You know, if that water would have been, if it would have been a month before, that water could have been cold enough to really have been dangerous. So it's always key to be careful out there, have that life vest on, and just protect yourself, and always plan for that worst case scenario, because I definitely wasn't planning to flip, but when it happened, you know, things happen quick. So guys, we got plenty more videos coming your way. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I like the perspective of that chest mount, so let me know what you guys think. Should I run the chest mount more often, or should I behind the shoulder style that I typically do for the tournaments? I think they both have advantages, but you know, eventually I'll try to run 2, but with the way I edit my footage, I do everything on my phone, and so keeping up with 2 cameras worth of footage would honestly be a nightmare without a little bit better electronic setup. So hopefully we'll get to that point. But guys, keep supporting the channel, keep commenting, keep liking those videos, sharing them. And if you are not already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for everything. The next video coming up will be the Hobie BOS on Lake Chickamauga. Just finished that event up, and so want to go ahead and get that one out. I'm off for the summer because I'm a teacher, so definitely will be having a lot more coming to you guys, a lot more consistently. That's the goal, and we're going to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, guys. We just got to have your help and support with that. Thank you. Have a great day, and go catch some fish out there, guys.